Welcome back to my bathroom. Today we're testing ridiculous beauty items from Temu. Where do you want to start? We'll do this one. I'm most excited about this. Oh. This is Tattoo Eyebrow Gel. You apply this on the brows, let it dry for 20 minutes, and then you'll peel it off. And apparently this lasts for days and is waterproof, cry-proof. This actually got really good reviews. AR23 writes, "Very shoot, it worked." I'm gonna do one just in case this goes south. I'm just gonna take off the Dollar Tree eyebrow pencil. If you missed that video, this is the eyebrow pencil from Dollar Tree. I love this. Take a picture. To ensure we get the perfect brow, we have these. $2, these are eyebrow stencils. Comes in many different styles of brows. They do look a little thick. That's gonna be a lot of brow, but you can choose your style if you want more of a tail, or honestly, those kind of look the same, don't they? Yes, they do. And you can adjust it just like you would a hat. The shoelace part goes right here, and then you just slip it on your head, draw on your brows. SN08 writes, "For my neighbor, maybe she can get it to match better, LOL." I think my feelings would be hurt if my neighbor gave me this. A little criticism for the brow band here. It's a little tight, ladies. It's gonna give you a headache. And the brows, it's gonna look like I'm concerned. They're a little up there, a little large. Let's paint them on with the goop. This is in shade 1. We better clean this up. While we wait, we can try this. This is a Lazy Girl's, their words, not mine, hair coloring tool. It's okay to be lazy. Firstly, the picture is very deceiving. I did not read the listing. I thought I was gonna get a full set. And if you look at the photo, they're not even really in her hair. It's just sitting like this. Very clearly an AI generated photo. I hate that. I hate AI generated photos. Like those YouTube thumbnails where the people are like this. They have a huge head and a tiny little body and very bright eyes. Just make the thumbnail yourself. It only takes 3 hours in Photoshop. The listing is making you think you're getting a full set. You are not. You are getting one for $2. Just a huge piece of foam. And if I would have read the description or perhaps the reviews, it does say there's only one. Like IA.ly writes, "Only get one curler. Totally not worth the money. What to do with just one?" Now it's a drink coaster. There's not really any clear directions on how to use this. Just do this. But I have seen something similar on Amazon where you would take this and loop it through. It would be kind of damp. And then you would take another one and loop it the opposite way. My hair is too short. There would only be room for 2, and I don't think it would look that great on me, but the idea is it creates a loose curl or S-shaped curl. We will never know because we just have one, but this is trash. These are lip gems. Look at all these options. Rochelle says, "Love, fun, looks good on lips, 4 stars." The instructions on the back say you just peel them off and stick them to your lips. Oh, so natural. These aren't gonna work unless you have lip filler. They are very big and kind of a weird shape. Do you like it? It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. They're not flexible. It does give you a little bit of a lisp. Sounds like I have my retainer in. That is some sticky adhesive. Ooh. And look at Temu being eco-friendly. You can reuse these with eyelash glue or clear nail polish. Yes, let's put clear nail polish on our lips. Great idea. I'm gonna save those in case I get invited to a rave, a baby shower, housewarming party. You just never know. This is a collagen firming peel off mask. Temu being generous, you get 2. Wow, I love the applicator. Looks like one of those fancy ones that you do your underbags with. The texture is a thick Elmer's glue-like texture. It says you apply a thick layer, wait 5 minutes until it dries clear, and then you're gonna gently peel it off, and it's gonna leave your lips line-free, silky smooth. It does feel just like Elmer's glue. I don't know if you ever did this, but when my teacher was talking, I would always just put glue all over my hands and peel it off. Give me something to do to kind of drown out the noise. You are bothering me. If anybody's in school, we should listen to our teachers, all right? They're really underpaid, so shame on me. But this feels like that, just like Elmer's glue. I bet this is glue. I would not put it past Temu for it to be glue. We cannot read the ingredients because there are none. It does not feel great. It does not look great either. Angela writes, 2 stars. Not a peelable mask. I put it on and it just got gacky. Never to a peeling point. SMH, my fault for believing Temu. Yes, that is your fault. Temu can be absolutely garbage. We know this, but I've gotten some really good things off Temu, mostly home decor. Like, let me show you what I just got. This is melted butter in a picture frame, but it's a magnet. I absolutely love this. Now this piece only looks good from far away. It's a hand flower vase and it goes in your wall. It's got a place for a nail. I'm gonna use a command strip and just hope for the best. But when you get up close, it kind of looks junky. The listing photo made it look like it was concrete. Oh, I got this. I wear this every single day. It's an ankle bracelet. Actually, that does look pretty cheap, doesn't it? I don't care, I like it. There are some good things if you can kind of filter through. On my hair channel, we did hair tools, like a hair tool haul to see if any of it was good, and a lot of it was actually good. So you kind of have to just read reviews, which we clearly didn't do for this video up until now, and watch videos like this of people unboxing it so you can save yourself a trip or $2. Save yourself $2. Which look, in this economy, we gotta be careful. We have to spend wisely. I bought an avocado the other day. It didn't have a price sign at the Kroger. Rang it up and it was $3.50. I don't think so, ma'am. You're gonna put this thing back. Let's go ahead and peel this off. No, let's wait. Let's wait. I think it's time for our eyebrows though. Eyebrow reveal. Are you ready for this? Oh, that's very underwhelming. Oh, it's ripping out some of my eyebrow hair. Do you see that? I don't really have much to lose, but okay. That's actually not bad. It did tint the hair a little bit. My eyebrow hair is clear. It also tinted the skin a little bit. Do you see that? That is not terrible. So I'm just gonna fill some of it in with my new favorite eyebrow pencil. Whew, I'm sweating already. It's hot. This is a barbell face trainer. Let's max it out, maximum weight. Comes with this lovely set of directions, tells you the correct and incorrect way how to use this. And look at this business name of this company for the jaw trainer. Imagine putting that on your resume. The curved part is gonna go here and you're gonna make duck lips to hold this up while your body's straight so you can't lean back. Ready? And you hold this for 40 seconds. Just holding it really does hurt whatever that is. What's right here? What muscle is that? Yolanda says, it's more than anything a reminder to use these face muscles. I personally like to use it while watching TV. You only have to hold it for 40 seconds a day. Can't give an opinion just using it once other than it looks silly, but I will use it for a couple weeks and let you know, which brings me to a jaw training update. I believe that device was in products that are supposed to fix your body, something like that. We did jaw training gum and the actual jaw trainers. I use the entire case of gum and I use the jaw trainer for, I think it's been a month now. I just stopped using it last week. And I don't know, you tell me, but do I have a chiseled jaw like a Greek god? A little update is there is no update. It did absolutely nothing. This is a portable cordless mini hair straightening comb. You turn it on here, hard to see, but there's a really tiny green light here. This middle part is the only part that actually gets hot. These little teeth do not. It's just a straightening iron basically that you can keep in your purse. Once again, they are using AI generated pictures, so we can't trust the listing. This would be just to keep in your purse if you just needed to straighten something out. If you have really thick or coarse hair, this is not going to work. It does not get that hot. I need a haircut. I'm gonna cut my hair today. I'm gonna do it. This just does not work great. Or does it? That does look a little bit better. Let's see if we can make the bangs go straight. No, they look the same. You've got to really get the hair in there and apply pressure. Irada, let me know if I'm saying that wrong, says 1 star, don't work. Thank you for that. These are magnetic hair clips. I saw these on Amazon recently. They were $20, I think, for 3. You get 3 of these for $7. They have magnets on the end and they open on each side. The little gimmick is you clip a piece of hair like that, and then you clip another piece of hair like this, and then you would snap it together. Let's take it way back there and see. Bring it together. The magnet is really strong, but you're not gonna get a lot of hair in here. This is a very small clip. You could twist it and maybe make a cool design. There's no way you're gonna get all your hair in here like this picture is showing. This is a sleep mask. Cecilia says, it's actually been really difficult for me to put on. So let's see if I can put it on. It has a heart here so you can breathe. It's one of those anti-snoring masks or helps you keep your mouth closed. Is that right? She's not wrong. It is a little difficult to put on. Wait a second. I've got it on backwards. This, oh, that's tight. You will not be snoring because that is way too tight. That is uncomfortable. I was interested in that because I wear sleep tape. I tape my mouth every night with medical tape because I'm a mouth breather. I thought this would be better. Instead of using tape every single night and wasting a piece of tape, I could just use this and reuse it. But this is only gonna work if you have a very tiny head. If that's you, I could see how this could work. These are vacuum hair clippers. The listing says you can use them on yourself, your dogs, or even a baby. Look at the sweet AI-generated baby with man hands. It also says if you use it on your baby, you have to be a professional. Okay. This is a clipper that has a vacuum. And another selling point is that it's very quiet. Compared to most clippers, yes, this is pretty quiet. There's not a lot of suction here like the Flowbee. Remember we tried that from the 80s, the Flowbee that sucks your hair and cuts it at the same time. It comes with just one attachment, so I hope you all want the same haircut. And we are gonna try it on Dr. W since it says we can use it on pets. Doctor, you're the model today. Doctor is hairless, but he does grow a little mullet here on his head, so usually he gets that cut. A little trap fell off. So we'll turn it up and we'll turn the vacuum part on full speed. Oh, it works. Hang on, doctor. It did work. You see that? You see that short spot? Good job. You are the best hair model I've ever had. I did not think that was gonna work. It says there's 3 simple steps to clean the hair from the warehouse. Push it away, open it up, and discard the broken hair. Look at that. Dr. W's beautiful silver hair. I wouldn't use this on an adult. The clippers aren't that great, but for a pet, or if you have a child who has sensory issues where loud noises bother them, this is actually pretty cool for $20. These are silicone acorn containers. Put your lotions, beauty products in here. Yo says, 5 stars, will period, put period, my pills when I go out, nice period, nice, no one knows what's inside. Love that for you. You could actually put Tylenol. Let's do Tylenol, ibuprofen, please, in here. That's what I'm gonna use it for. When I go bowling, I have to take ibuprofen for my back. I'm gonna now hold it in my nice acorn. I don't know if I would put lotions in it. Actually, you could. This is pretty secure. This one, there's not much to talk about. This is a heart-shaped cupping tool because, like Rye says, 1 star, item didn't come with the tool to suction. Kind of pointless without it. This listing makes you think you're getting the whole kit, but if you don't read the fine print, you'll see that you're not. But it even says in the title, vacuum suction device. So it makes you think you're getting the whole thing, and even the picture shows that, but whatever. I don't have the attachment for that, so we can't try this. These are blush balls. A little smaller than I was expecting. Multicolored makeup balls that you blend together. In the early 2000s, there was a company that made something very similar to this, or maybe they still make it, Maybelline or Avon, I can't remember, but I used to love these. Each ball is a different color and you blend it together. Oh wow, that smells terrible, like chemicals. That is weird. It does have a little bit of a sparkle to it. Can you tell the difference? Not really. 8570 says, live it. I like the Dollar Tree bronzer better, but this is cool because it reminds me of whatever that one product was. If you remember that, let me know. This is a brush cleaner with a finger ring hole. I guess you just slide it in here like this, a little soap and water, and you do one of these. This actually got really great reviews. Most people using them for art, watercolors. The finger ring hole, I thought would go all the way down, but that's okay. It works just like a makeup brush cleaner. Connie says, 5 stars, does the jib. This does do the jib. I like this, but I don't love it. I have a mat, the one from Dollar Tree, and I only use 2 brushes. I'll take both the brushes and do them at the same time. This one you can only do 1 at a time. So for that, I just prefer the one at the Dollar Tree. All right, that wraps up our ridiculous Temu beauty items. Again, part whatever is this. How many have we done? I don't know, but I do enjoy them. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you. I hope you're having a fantastic summer. It's been monsooning here, so I haven't got to do a lot of gardening or outdoor activities, but if you wanna keep up with my garden, my Instagram is in the description box. I do gardening updates if you like that. Got my first squash today. You can check out my other channels. I'm on this channel every other Sunday, and these Sundays in between, I'm on my cooking channel, and every Friday on my very boring, very, very boring hair channel. Tutorials. That was a lot of words to say absolutely nothing. bye.